Alright guys, we don't come again. This particular one now waiting consign the same girl wall of una know we call President Bola Ahmed Tinubu a terrible president. Sowore have taken it upon himself. Sowore, remember on what we reported on Friday, NYSC after the girl cried out, NYSC threatened her. There was this particular woman that called her, threatening her, telling her to shut up, and she don't have the right to call out the government or the president on social media or whatever, blah, blah, blah. So we reported it here. No, now they gave her time to come into the NYSC office today at 10 a.m. in the morning. So Sowore and his team with other 14 lawyers, if I'm not mistaken, they accompanied themselves to go with Raye. Make we go there or go see what they happen. Since they don't want us to talk anymore. Guess what, my people? That's the rich NYSC office. They say as we talk so. That particular woman or NYSC people, body group or whatever satanic group of people, they are on the run. None of them could be found to speak why they invited her to come to their office. But the beautiful thing about it now is that Peter Obi and Atiku have also backed up Raye's statements. My people, I would like us to take it from here first, then we'll come back to you again.
Woman rights activist and former presidential candidate Omoyele Sowore has backed Rita Ogwamaye, a National Youth Service Corps member, facing backlash for criticizing President Bola Tinubu's administration in a viral video. In a video shared on X on Monday, March 17, Sowore disclosed that he met with Raye in Lagos and accompanied her to the NYSC local government inspector's office along with a team of lawyers, but the LGI was nowhere to be found. Recall that Raye gained attention after posting a TikTok video lamenting Nigeria's worsening economic condition and openly criticizing Tinubu's leadership. Following the video, she alleged that she received threats, sparking widespread debate on free speech and political dissent. In a screenshot, she shared the NYSC had summoned her to appear before the LGI office at Etiosa 3 on Monday at 10 a.m. The reason for the summons remains unclear, but her supporters fear potential disciplinary actions. The situation has further intensified decisions about young Nigeria's right to express dissent without fear of repercussions. As at the time of making this post, the NYSC has yet to release an official statement regarding Raye's case.
That everybody that has little power authorities oppressing everybody. Pastors, Jews, imams, land grabbers, herbalists, everybody's oppressing whomever. Landlords are oppressing people. But these oppressions would not have been codified and so widespread if the police and law enforcement agencies are not aiding and abetting the oppressions. We are here to stop oppression. And like I've always said, that if it means that I throw my body on the line of fire, I will continue to fight regardless of who is affected. But as is also said, we don't also need to light ourselves on fire before people can see the road. That's our position. So I'm always grateful to be in the company of all the people you see here, whether we are plenty or few. Everybody in our team is not somebody you can mess with. And if you doubt me, you can ask what is happening at the headquarters of Nigeria Police Force as we speak. They are burning files, they are changing dates, they are altering records just because of one incident. And we haven't started yet. So thank you very much. We continue to give.
Listen guys, I felt tell you say people like Sowore, apart from is my friend. Now person where I believe on. I too believe on her. Yes, although I know it's not going to be easy for you to become a president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because all of them already know. From when Sowore become a president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, many of them will rot in jail. Yes, Sowore have always been a voice to the voiceless. But the beautiful thing about him is that Peter Obi have also responded to this, although stylishly. Read what Peter Obi talk. You can see it for screen. I cannot read it, but I just want to put it right there. You can read it later on. Then also read wetin Atiku still talk for screen. Let's have a little bit of twist on what we are presenting right now. There's another girl from nowhere who came from nowhere asking this particular Raye's girl to apologize to Tinubu for not adding titles to it. This girl saying that Raye's called Tinubu instead of calling Tinubu either chief or president and all that, not adding title to it. I would like you guys to listen to what this girl have to say.
This video right here is directed to that NYSC lady that called President Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, a terrible person. I want you to make an apology video. Make an official apology video apologizing to the president of Nigeria, who is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Apologize to him because you made a video while addressing the president of the country. You said Tinubu is a terrible person.
For example, Tinubu, you are a terrible president. Like, what are you doing to help us? What are you doing to help the economy? You are so terrible. I'm so sick and tired of Nigerians.
You left behind the title of the whole president of the country. That is something you should not do. That is very, very extremely wrong of you. So before you take any step, because this thing will start here, it go long. And if you don't take time, your words will be used against you, implicate you, and all these rights you are trying to bring out will become against you. And the people of the country will also turn their back against you. So right now, before you make another move, make another video, make sure the next video you are making is to apologize to the president, expressing and explaining how ignorant you are to neglect his official title, which is the president of the country. Because one, if that man is your father and he has offended you in any way while addressing him, you will not address him by his name. And secondly, you are an NYSC Corp member. That means you are serving the country. And no matter what, you are the one that should be and lead an example that no matter what, the president should still, the respect for the president should still be there. Because let's not look at this as okay, waiting happen. President Tinubu is not doing anything right. He's not doing anything. So why should we respect him? Let's take this that this is a battle between Nigeria and another country. Are you going to be happy if someone from another country disrespects your president? So you need to make an apology video immediately as possible to retrieve what you have done. Then you can move forward in your cry. And remember, we are solely behind you in this cry. Do not stop. Your boldness is really, really appreciated. But be very careful of what you say. While crying, be very, very mindful of your words so they won't use it against you. Remember, Very Dark Man might come to help you. And absolutely, you need Very Dark Man. But do not put yourself out there in a way that when he wants to come out and defend you, he will be trapped by your own words. I hope you listen to this video and you will understand.
To be honest, this particular last video, I won't make any comments, but I would like to read comments. You know what that means? I won't make any comment. I would like to read comments. And the prices of commodity as we speak, the hunger, the current excruciating situation of Nigeria, make we enter market. Make you see this one for yourself.
Okay, so guys, this is Bobby, and I saw a video trending on internet about a girl. She made a video about how bad our economy has gotten, and people are dragging the gear. So I don't enter markets now. Make I know if things really dey cheap, and she dey talk say e dey expensive. When make una dey drag am. Now, a pint of rice right now around 8,500 naira. Something where they say 3,000 naira, 2,000 naira before. Now 8,500 naira they say. I don't even want to talk about Gary, how expensive Gary is right now. Or should I ask the person selling, okay, how much be better of Gary now?
Yellow Gary or white?
Anyone, yellow how much?
Yellow Gary 3,000, white 2,500.
What how much did they sell them before?
Before, yes, 1,800.
Now, there's somebody saying that your economy is bad and you are now insulting the person. Why we should speak?
How much be bag of rice?
How much bag of rice?
Say 9085.
1985.
That's a say bag of rice. Okay. How much is a pint of tomato? A pint of tomato is around 7,000 naira. How much did they sell a pint of tomato before? How much is this small tuber of yam now? Where you dey see for yet? Tuber of yam now around 5,000 naira. How much did they sell them before? Somebody is speaking. Nobody wants to listen. Una dey insult her. Why will she speak? And you are threatening her. It's so bad done. 1,000 naira cannot even buy you meat again. Everybody here can testify to that. 1,000 naira cannot buy you reasonable meat to cook stew or cook soup in your house. Now somebody is speaking about it. You guys are threatening her. In this country, nobody has right to speak again. No problem. No problem. He also got around neighbor now. Ego le carton of indomie. Ego can let's carton of indomie now. Carton of indomie now. How much did they sell them? You know this around 20-something thousand naira. How much did they sell carton of indomie before? 11,000 naira. Bro, 11 indomie don't they click 20,000? 500 naira.
11,500.
Yes. Okun nafu. Kugwa jeshini. Kugwa jeshini. Jowaya. How much be this leaf now? How much is this, madam?
500.
500 naira for leaf. What did they say? 15 naira before. 500 naira. Now, fufu and egg don't they drag to her sides? We not gonna know between fufu and egg which one big pass. It dey happen every day. Nobody said anything about it. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that?
Even fish now supposed manage instead of meat. Fish now.
Somebody speaking out here because of what? Because she does not have audience or what? Check everything now. Check everything. Check this guy now. If I tell you the price of this guy, you know that people are suffering. Because you can afford it doesn't mean everybody can afford it. What is wrong with you people? You can afford it, I cannot afford it. I'm crying, I am wailing. This is expensive every day. What is this? Every time new president comes into power, things become more expensive than it was. And people are speaking out and you're threatening the person. Go to the market yourself and price this and know how expensive this are. And then you know if the guy is just blabbing. What kind of nonsense is that? It doesn't make any sense to me.
Bro, me, this country don't tire.
It doesn't make any sense to me. 1,000 naira man go tell us I'm not Shini. But give me. I just want my Nigerians. It is not good to our leaders. Make I just tell now. It is not good. But if you feel that is the best thing to do, no problem. Your turn now. So bad,
you know, make sense.
My people, we all dey dribble ourselves for this country. We all need to engage the streets and be honest to ourselves. At least a lot of people are coming out. Yeah, prominent individualisms are supporting Raye's statement that Tinubu is a terrible president. And you and I know that Tinubu, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a terrible president. Not only him, all the previous satanic rulers, leaders in the past, both past and present, that have been recycling themselves. All of them are terrible, terrible, terrible. Put it on the comment section. What's your take on this? I'll see you guys at 7 p.m. Nigerian time so we can take this extensively. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Take care and bye for now.